Good day, and thanks for taking 1 minute out of your day to listen to this. First of all, thanks so much for the individuals who came last week and were part of the session we did on Collaborate. We are doing another one on Collaborate this week. Only some individuals told me that basically they wanted to just work on breakout groups. We're going to set them up and show how to go from one to the other, and individuals who come can be the moderator, can also set them up and see how to use those to advantage, and maybe a little bit of the polling tool on the side to make sure that you're getting your groups to getting your class to work together and to work together as groups and then come back in. So it's a meaningful experience for them versus just another sit and get. Anyways, feel free to tune in this Thursday, and the information is right below us here. Thanks so much.